Good morning, participants. I'm going to teach about PMP training. So let us see. And this basically says about me. I hold a master degree in computer application. I've been involved in architecting projects with over 20 plus years of experience in Java, J2EE, .NET, mobile, cloud, and DevOps technology. It doesn't mean that I only have architecting. I also involved in managing the projects for the last 20 years in various domains. I involved in travels, finance, e-commerce, automobiles, insurance, energy renewables, e-learning, hydrology, hospitality, and banking. So basically, I have a lot of experience in managing the projects with the different methodologies and also implemented. So whatever the PMP certification says about how we can manage the projects. And I prepared a lot of artifacts while involving in many project phases, like during the pre-sales, what are the artifacts which we prepare, and post-sales, and while during the project initiation, what are all the different artifacts which we prepare, and configuration management, planning, design, or while doing the architecting, tracking and monitoring, scheduling, testing, estimation, closure, and delivery. So I do have a lot of experience in managing the projects, and I involve preparing and various artifacts related to different phases. Do have a lot of experience in implementing various methodologies. So waterfall, spiral, this I implemented a long back during my career. So during that time, they used all those methodologies. And nowadays, they are using Agile Scrum methodology. And recently, they are introduced Agile Safe methodology, Kanban, in my projects. So I worked in various CM level 5 organization during my tenure of my work. During my 20 years experience, prepared and got certification as a Java programmer, Java web component developer, Java architect, and which raised to Sun Microsystem during that time. And now it changed as Oracle because Oracle acquired Sun Microsystem. And I also received some certification with regard to Visual Studio and TFS Administrator. So basically, this TFS also, this software, basically it also provides how we can maintain the project lifecycle management. So this involves managing the projects, this software. So I do have a lot of experience from the project initiation to the closure, how we can do, and how we can manage the projects, how we can do the configuration management, all those things. And also I received a PMI certified PMP certification a few years back. So I do have a lot of experience training the students regarding the PMP. So that's my experience with regard to the certification. And currently, I'm working as assistant vice president, technology in an IT company. So basically, it says that I manage the team with regard to any technical issues, software related issues, and also managing the projects, various projects. So various projects, managing the projects means I do have to apply PMI certified PMP, the course, whatever it says, all those things we apply from the project, from the pre-sales to the closure of the project. So this, I'm still doing that. I told various domains because PMP is not related to one particular domain. So you can apply this PMP knowledge or the contents which you go through during your PMP on various domains. So this is the specialty with regard to PMP certification. So it is not only to a particular industry. In any industry, you can, if you have the PMP certification, it adds more value, and you can work as a project manager. Today's agenda. So basically, today I'm going to teach you about what is a project, what is project management, what is program, what is a portfolio, who are all, you can say, as a project stakeholders, what are the different types of organizational structure we have, what is functional organization structure, what is a projectized organizational structure? What is a matrix organizational structure? And what do you mean by weak matrix structure? What do you mean by balanced matrix structure? What do you mean by strong matrix structure? So all those things today we are going to cover. So we will see about this. And regarding the course curriculum prepared by our company, I mean, MindMajix. So we cover all those topics. So basically, this is what PMP course content also as this particular curriculum, the topics. So it shows the first one is PMP exam outline and expectation. So basically, it says what do you require with regard to PMP, in what way it helps you. This certification, everything it covers over here. And next, we are going to talk about project management framework in the course curriculum, integration management, scope management, schedule management, cost management, quality management, resource management, communication management, risk management, procurement management, stakeholder management, professional responsibility. So each topic has got a huge contents. So this we will be covering in the course. And regarding the PMP training, so we fixed around 35 hours. So that is the time fixed by our company, MindMajix. And regarding the fee, you can approach MindMajix. This course not only includes, we are also providing lab sessions, industry-ready curriculum, real-time trending projects, official certification guidance, and mock interviews and job assistance also we are providing. So what I mean, basically, what is the value of PMP training if you get a PMP certification in the market? So the proficiency earned in PMP certification can be applied across industry and geographies at the time of practical application. So basically, this is not strict to a particular industry. You can it applies in various industries at the same standard which you can apply in different industries across the geographical locations. So basically, it is not, the PMP credential is not just limited to a single standard, a methodology, or organization. So the artifacts which the PMP, the process which it says, it can be applicable to any standard, methodology, or any organization. So that is what it says. So getting PMP training and certification opens a wide variety of opportunities in your career prospects. So if you have a PMP certification, the first priority, it goes to you than the people who have a lot of experience in managing the projects. Because the PMP certification says that you know how to manage the project, what are all the processes it got involved from the initiation to the closure of the project. So that adds more value. It gains wide recognition in numerous industries, as I told, not stick to one industry. IT, aerospace, defense, telecommunication, manufacturing, retail, banking and finance, trainings, any industry, you can apply this PMP process and methodologies, which it says. So PMP training certification, basically PMI, it provides a lot of certification with regard to managing the project. One is PMP, that is Project Management Professional. So that is what we are going to learn about. And the other certifications, Certified Associate in Project Management, Professional in Business Analyst, Project Management Professional, Portfolio Management Professional, PMI Risk Management Professional, PMI Scheduling Professional, Project Management Ready, Agile Certified Practitioner. So if you have interest to pursue the other training certification, you can also do that. And this is how once you complete the training course and all the other the things provided by MindMajix during the training, additional topics or additional contents, then you are eligible to get the certificate of achievement from MindMajix saying that you have completed the PMP training course. Here, this is one random topic of our course. This just I'm going to explain you. This particular figure, it says what is a portfolio, what is a program, what is a project. So basically, first you have to see what is a project. It is a temporary endeavor undertaken to create a unique product, service, or result. So this is what the definition of the project specified in the PMP. Then you have to go and see what is program. So it is a collection, it is a group of related projects and work managed in a coordinated way to obtain benefits and control not available from managing them individually. So this is the definition for a program. So a program contains projects. And portfolio, collection of projects or programs and other work to meet the static business objectives. So this is the definition for portfolio. It says it is a collection of programs, and also sometimes and the programs contains the project, but sometimes the portfolio directly it has got a collection of projects without a program. So this is what the definition for portfolio. Basically, it says the projects which we demonstrate or provide during your training. We give some exercise or a project during the training on a particular topics covered in the PMP training. So one is what is fast tracking crash key techniques for project schedule compression. So during the project schedule compression, what are the different techniques which we have? So we will be giving some exercises and other things to you. So what is fast tracking? What is crash key techniques? And the next exercise is time management. So regarding the time management, we will be providing some case study, and based upon that, it says more about how you can manage the time and also cost. So we give some case study how you can do the cost estimation for your project. So these are the few exercises or the case studies which we provide as a project for you. And regarding the project training lab setup, user ID and password is required for taking lab test, and you must have a computer, laptop, or internet connections with you. And the next topic is PMP Training Additional Course Resources. Here I specified only two. One is PMI provided PMP Handbook and PMBOK Guide. So it is a huge book. Once you register PMI, that contains some dollars. So automatically they will provide this guide to you. And this guide basically the whole course contents for this PMP training certification they provide to you, and also a lot of benefits you have when you become a member for PMI by paying some dollars. But this is related to PMI course resources, but I will try to provide a lot of other course resources that makes you to better understand about the PMP, and so that it helps you to clear the PMP certification also. Here, this slide, it shows some questions. It is like, for mock interviews. And it says, which of the following is not correct? So every project is unique. A project gives some output. Projects are not repetitive. Core manufacturing is an example. So this is some questions which we have for mock interviews, and this is how we ask the question, and you have to find the answers listed in the here or in this particular questionnaires. Any doubts regarding this PMP training? So with regard to the subject, course timings, resource allocation can be discussed with MindMajix. So you feel free to drop your query at this particular email ID. Finally, I thank you.